Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado en la aplicación.
Oh my God, we did it, we shut down.
Please remain where you are, and the host or hostess will direct you.
Oh shoot. Oh, that was that's crazy.
Attention, space travelers.
We did it.
All flights have been put in a holding pattern. Travelers in rockets, please remain seated as your flight will continue in a moment.
It's we cascaded.
Those travelers awaiting
Remember
departure,
I told you that they were
please remain where you are,
They backed
and
up.
the host or hostess will direct you.
Either that or we broke them.
Attention, space travelers. All flights have been put in a holding pattern. Travelers in rockets, please remain seated as your flight will continue in a moment. Those travelers awaiting departure, please remain where you are, and the host or hostess will direct you.
Because you would know that that area right here is where they used to go, right here.
Oh really?
Yeah. Yeah, that's when they blocked it off. People move around. I see what they used to look in. Yeah, right there. You can't see it. It's really hard to see, but they blocked it off for Rocket Rod. Oh my God. Yeah, I know. Oh wait, look at it. Yeah, that's like soft break. Wait, so look at that. That's like the cargo.
Space travelers, may I have your attention, please? We have stopped all rocket flights at this time. Due to the possibility of extended delay, it has become necessary for us to clear the Space Mountain complex.
Oh, no.
For those of you stopped in rockets, please remain seated. A cast member will be with you momentarily. For your convenience, may we suggest you enjoy other attractions in the park and visit us later today. We apologize for the inconvenience. Thank you. For those of you stopped in rockets, please remain seated. A cast member will be with you momentarily.
Oh, so it wasn't a cascade, it was something else then.
No, we're gonna get a free light pass.
But it only works for like... Look at my parents' room.
What is that?
Dark Carnations.
Wait, but like... Can they like take it through us
What is
through,
that?
like, slowly? It's just like...
Oh. Yep. We're good.
Perfect. We're gonna go ahead and get you out of the rocket. We're gonna start from the back to the front. The easiest way to get out of your rocket is if you sit on the side and slide down. We're gonna press down on your lap bars. If they don't come up, press down when you hear the click, let go, okay?
For those of you stopped in rocket, please remain seated. The cast member will be with you momentarily.
Someone got stuck on the top of
Everything else is gonna be packed.
Yeah, I know. Sucks. We would have been on another ride if it wasn't for this. That's cool. I mean, you always wanted to break down on the ride.
I know, but still, you had to get your work done.
Yeah. Anything interesting on your side?
No.
No? Nothing? You have Zone 8. That's interesting.
That's very cool.
Zone 8. Block Zone 8.
Alright, and then we're going to start with these ones right here. If your lap bar doesn't come up, press down, okay? Everyone's good?
Everyone's good.
Perfect. We're going to start with the back first.
I'm just so used to getting off on the right side. It's kind of freaky. Yeah. Should be good. Thank you.
And then we're going to stay between me and my friend Justin in the back, and then try to hold on to the railings if you're afraid of heights.
Shorter. There we go. Shorter.
Do we get to know?
Oh. Very cool. Oh, what is that? That's like this. Oh, that's the. I think that's the return tunnel right there. Nope. No, that's not. That's not it. Oh, there's disco ball. You're right. Oh my god, that's funny. Disco ball. Disco ball. Disco, ow, my eyes. Disco ball. That's cool. Hello.
Are you the birthday people?
Oh, really? That's cool. That's really cool. Whoa. Lock during. Oh. Oh.
And then you're going to head down these stairs. You'll make a right, and then you'll head out to where it says Park 3.
Right here?
Yep.
Okay.
And then the first door that you see, the Park 3.
Okay. Park re-entry. Park re-entry.
We turn apart.
Okay. It says first door you see. That's the first door I see.
It's like Mickey Mouse.
Yeah.
Where's the free shit at?
Oh, I guess. Oh, I think there's maintenance over there. Let's go. That's very quiet.